What is going on, guys? Emily here, and I have a hair tutorial for you today. It's on these little braided bun type hairstyle. Now, because of the way my hair is cut, I'm kind of limited as to what kind of hairstyles I can do, and this is one of them that I have figured out that I can do because of, you know, the lengths and the different layers and stuff. So if you want to learn how to do this, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright, so right now I know my hair is just a tiny bit messed up, but the first thing that we need to do is straighten it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and cue the fast forward. Just start braiding it. Up until like about there, and then we're going to gonna stick them in. Like that. Alright, so now we've gotten both of the buns done, and Leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!